She hasn't learned the kiss thing yet.
You giving Kylie kisses? Oh, kiss, 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 kiss.
I want Susie.
You want a smoothie? You're not full from dinner? You ate like half a kielbasa. What was that?
Heavy. Okay.
Give Kylie a break.
Okay, that is what she's gonna stop. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna get both arms in the butt. I'm not bad.
Aw.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to put her down. She's just like, I get it. Oh.
There we go. Now what are you gonna do?
I am
You're gonna walk?
with them. No, I am.
Oh, give Kylie a break.
Okay, I want a treat. I want smoothie. You want a smoothie?
What if you guys split a smoothie? I don't think we need a smoothie right now. I'm stuffed. You guys must be stuffed.
I am a smoothie.
She thinks she just likes saying it. It sounds good, rolling off the tongue.
What do you want? What does the dinosaur say? What?
What does a crocodile say? Crocodile. Alligator? That's right, alligator.
What does the tree say?
That's right. Tree just blows in the wind.
What does the flower do? What does the bear say? What? Yeah.
What about a lion?
What? What about a cheetah? No.
What about a elephant?
What does the dog say?
No, that's a
Quack.
duck. What about a dog?
Dog. Well,
That's right. Good job.